looks really bad on this camera. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with Glossier's, what is it, Stretch Concealer in medium. This one is a really light coverage. It's very natural. Just putting that under my eyes. And then the sides of my nose, since it's red. And I don't know what's going on here. It's like irritated. I'm just gonna blend that in with the puff. And then I'm not gonna powder. I'm just gonna move on to eye makeup. This is Tarteist Pro to Go from Tarte. I'm gonna use this shade right here. This is Drive. It looks really light, but it gives a nice tint to the eyelids. And put that all over the lid. See, my eyelids are so annoying. They keep on creating a new crease. Like, what are you doing? I put it all over the lower lash line. And then a dark brown shade. This is Stylin'. Hit pan finally. Do you see that? It's honestly a miracle because I thought I would never finish this. And we're just gonna create a wing. I kind of like smoking it out. It's so weird. I'm so used to hearing like airplanes and stuff like that, but it's so quiet. It's so weird. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna brush through my brows. Personally, I don't like filling in my brows because they're already pretty dark anyway, so if I fill them in, they look really dark. So this blush, I'm loving it. This is from Milk Makeup. This is, what is this? Lip plus cheek stick in Werk. And then I'm just gonna use my fingers to tap it in, or to blend it in. It leaves my skin really glowy, so I like this one a lot. Today I'm going for more of a lively look, so I'm gonna use, this is Peripera Sugar Glow Lip Tint in number 4, Sweet and Sour. This is a really pretty color. I also like to put on my Cupid's bow. What I do is I overline it and I blend it out. So it gives this more like airbrushed effect. We're done. So, I was thinking about growing out my bangs, but I think I might cut them again. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys later. Stay safe, everyone.